Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Deep Search AI. In order to do so, here we are at deepsearchai.app. And what is Deep Search all about? Well, you can search deeper, explore more, unlock the power of advanced search with Deep Search, go beyond the surface and discover hidden insights, detailed information, and precise results all in one place. Deep Search helps you find exactly what you need faster and smarter. However, it's only available for mobile, so you can download it on the App Store or you can get it on Google Play. So head on over to Google Play if you're using Android and you can use Deep Search there, or you can head over to the App Store and you can find Deep Search there as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations and our socials. We'd love to have you over on our Discord. We're building a community there around AI animation and other things. But if you are interested in AI animation, check out our WAP course. For $30, you can gain access to our AI music video masterpiece course, and you can learn how to make your own AI music videos. We've got some free resources there as well to get you started. And finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you're interested and you click on the referral link there in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended, can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial. Check to see if it's available in your area.